Today, we will see how bags are made from elephant skin. We only see a bag, but we don't know how much hard work and suffering goes into making it. So, in today's video, we will see the complete process of how to make a beautiful bag out of elephant skin. The elephants are then taken inside a beautiful, clean factory where they are carefully observed. Then the skins are removed from the elephants' bodies through various processes. Then, using it, beads are made, and from there, the beads are colored through cutting and fitting, and beautiful bags are made in various ways. You can see in the video how beautiful the bags are made. Various types of personal bags and official bags are made from elephant skin.